memories here.
Well, ladies and gents, the video you're about to watch is going to be a very good video. We're going to start it here, even though this is the end point of the video. Now, this would be one hell of a cool place to do interviews, car kind of talk. It's got a bit of an echo too. So just think of the ambience of the turbochargers, the blowing V8 whipping their ass down here. The noise it used to make, and it must have made. And sadly, when did it close? 2018. Yeah. 2018 it was closed. So. And this is one I've never missed. I've never actually been to a drag strip. Now I can tick it off the list, although it's not exactly what I expected because there's no cars here. Yeah, there's abandoned cars, but no drag strip cars. Wouldn't it be nice if we actually found a drag car while we're exploring here? Now that'd be something to look forward to. Anyway, we're going to carry on looking around. I'm going to go into the seating area and have a better look, ladies and gents. So we keep looking.
I've definitely popped a coach for a couple of times.
Yeah, well this does look a bit interesting. Plenty of windows. You need any windows? I mean, these are the types of areas I like to find because although this probably won't have a car in the barn, you never know. Could be a Lotus Colton in the barn. Do we have a Ferrari? Empty barn. Oh well. If you don't go, you'll never know, ladies and gents. Lots of rubbish in here. Oh, Sky Electric's no f***ing way. That's worth looking at. Yeah, no way. Cars are missing, obviously. Yeah, a bit of wire wool, get the tracks going. That's a good find. Still car related, and I'm happy to find that. Oh, wagon in there, look. Old horse wagon. That's a different type of horsepower, ladies and gents. Old Ford Mondeo. When was that last on the road? 2014. Rover. I would see it van. They've cut that out to get what? Jesus. Oh, Rover. These are nice cars, these were. Well. Okay. Rover 45. I wonder why they've cut that out for. To get to the battery? I don't know. Oh, it's not, ladies and gents. Drag car on the side of it. So that's very interesting. A drag bus. Oh, God, let's squeeze through, ladies and gents. Oh wow, that's still got the drag car in here, look, ladies and gents. So I'm not going to make this any bigger than it is. It's a body, it's just the shell, but it's still a bloody drag car in the back of a coach. So there's no way in really, apart from climbing in and having a look around. Keith Black. 525 cubic inch. That's absolutely amazing. So we're now at the rear of the drag car. Still has the parachute in the back. Paint by Cobra. I wonder if that company's still in business. Klotz lubricants. Yeah, Mopar performance parts. I'm gonna try and see if I can get underneath it. Try and see if I can get actually inside it. Right, we're inside, ladies and gents. Well, we're underneath. So I'm guessing this is what they would have seen, which is not a lot. Yeah, so they'd sit here and then just go full pelt down the track, and you really can't see a lot. Oh my God, it's close quarters. I'm guessing that's the exit hatch. But I wouldn't like to be doing 170, 180, 200 mile an hour down a drag strip in this and then it rolling over, because f***ing hell. Oi. Bit of plexiglass. This is where the big V8 or the blown V8 would come out of here, supercharger. So yeah, this is a really good find, ladies and gents. Oi, let's get out now then. I'll try and get out because it's quite close quarters. I'm stuck. It's like really thin gauge rebar that's holding the shot together. Absolutely awesome. Right, let's go and see if we can find any more gems, because quite frankly I don't think anything here is going to beat this. Got McDonald's hatch there, look. Amazing, absolutely amazing. So far, ladies and gents, this has been a really good location. Well, you got an old Ford badge there. So this is an old Ford. Oh wow. Classic Ford. That thing is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. The mileage on this is 7364, so 7,364, I think. No way. So the engine's missing and it's been filled with leather seats. So this was a V8. How do I know that? Because it says it there, look, V8 on the hubcaps. Unreal. I mean, look at the red badge. I mean, I've never really seen that on older vehicles, only like modern vehicles where the lads just paint the badges red to match their colour scheme. But I've never actually seen an old school Ford badge actually red. I mean, she doesn't seem at all bad. I mean, I don't know if this is a remake, like a remake of a car. I mean, like I said, I don't, of course, back, oh, it's been smashed, that one has. It's like it's got the boat tail. I mean, it's a boat tail Ford. It says built by CR Cully, Inglesham, CR something. So this is a custom built car, I believe, or restored by somebody. Got some tax discs in there, look. Let's see what these tax discs say. We've got 98, 97, we have 99, 96 and 95, so the latest one would be 99, so she was on the road in 99 at some point. I mean, look how clean that one is. See, these are collector's items. People collect these now, and man, that's in pristine condition, that is. How old would you have been in 95?
26 now, I'm born.
My man wasn't even born. That just shows how old I am, because I was born in 81. Oh, so yeah, that's the oldest tax disc, 95, and the newest one here is 1999. How old are you in 99?
2 years old. 97 basically.
So yeah, this was coach built by that chap there, CR Cully. I don't know what that says, but again, I love the paintwork on it. Oh, so this is a Ford 30. I don't know whether it's the 30th anniversary or something, but yeah, we've just found out it's a Ford 30. Right then, we've had enough indulging in this old classic. We're going to carry on walking around the premises to see if we can find anything else. But I did say that nothing's going to beat the drag car. This did beat the drag car. Look at these. Bedford, old Ford, Renault service vehicle, and then an ice cream van. A classic Electra Freeze ice cream van. Look at that, ladies and gents. My God. Right, well, first we'll look at this one. Oh, she's a squeaker. So someone's been here before because they've scraped the dust off the mileage, but this is 153394, ladies and gents. Wow. I love these locations, I do, ladies and gents. There's been an animal sleeping on there. It's obviously got through the floor and it's been sleeping on there, like a stray cat or something. That's the first one. Let me put that straight for you, so I might get frowned upon for that, but there you go, you're looking cool now. Now we've got this one here, this old Ford. That's the security device, that is. You ain't getting him all, van. Oh yes. We can look at ye old bonnet. Oh, can we?
Nah, should have been the hinges.
Yeah.
It's a lump. Yeah, she's all
Oh,
right.
she's in there, look. My man's got a dipstick.
No, it's not.
No.
Oh, is it? I think it is, it's stuck in.
Yeah, so there's the engine, ladies and gents. She's still there. She's still got a engine.
Probably never seen one of these before, no Renaults, because I know somebody's
Well, no,
got
I've seen loads of these, but they look like an American equivalent.
Someone's got one, I know.
It looks like a Dodge.
It's a Renault and it's got the tree cutting business.
Yeah, no, I've seen it. I've seen it. But I'm sure these, like the American, I think they rebadge these in different sort of guises. I'm sure this is a Dodge.
But yeah, if you go and look at the...
Wow. I'll go look at this, ladies and gents.
Get your glasses on the dash as well.
Something. Oh, look at the glasses. They got red tints too. Oh, they haven't. Some mileage.
420 yard it was. Grim on the block.
So it's got, the mileage is 429,585. So yeah, she's done 1 or 2 trips around the block. But look at that, classic Ford, ladies and gents. We love a good Ford on this channel, don't we? Newark, February 1994. Oh, some old pleather seats. Okay. That old light there, look.
Anyway.
Mass there, that was pre-COVID, so that's worth some money. She's rotten. And then this Renault here. Big old Renault. I'm sure it's something to do with Chrysler. Renault Truck Industries Limited. Golf board. Mate, I find golf boards everywhere. Mileage on this is 394,216. Wow. I don't know what that's been destroyed for. It's even got a zip there, look. What the hell is there a zip there? Is that what to put your storage? Oh, it's getting a bit hot in here. Let's undo the zip. And then lastly, ladies and gents, this old Electro-Freeze ice cream van. Yeah, definitely. Oh, that's pretty cool, that is. Have you checked your oil?
Swinton Insurance doesn't even go anymore, do they?
Who?
Swinton Insurance.
I think they do, yeah. It's got a, look at that old Bedford horn. Oh, so this is where all the ice creams were kept. You wash your old Danny's there, look, old fashioned plug. This is probably 60s, this is, isn't it? Now that's a classic watch, look, classic Casio.
Really?
Yeah, classic Casio watch. He's got himself a cooker too, so obviously he serves food as well. I bet the queues were long though. Well, I've just found, ladies and gents, I might turn that into something like a lamp or something, or just keep it natural, I don't know. I'm definitely doing something with it. Right, ladies and gents, we're at the beginning, well, the end of the race strip, or the runway. What we're going to do is we're going to start here and then walk our way up. But there's a few military buildings scattered all over the place that we'll have a bit of a butcher's, a bit of a look at. Now this is a cool little find. I know it's a plane. Found a plane, ladies and gents. I say a plane, not much left of a plane. But there you go, we found a plane. How mad's that? So we've walked as far as you can see up here to these hangars, because you know, you see hangars and barns, you think there's something decent inside them, but they're all empty. This is the only prize that we've got for the 14-mile walk. Here's the rear of the plane.
Oh my god, the helicopter thing, and there's helicopter things in there.
On the way. That's worth going in, isn't it? That's pretty cool. I don't think I'd go in the air in one of these. And microglides on there or something. Wow, the old propeller. Well, it's got compression enough, that has. This is that. It does, it's like, it's got the wings there and the back end is over there. Was it GMU-IR? Yeah. You wouldn't catch me in one of them though, unless it was a new one. But my goodness, look at all the controls and stuff. It's like a cheap metal detector. It's like an Alfred special. You know what I mean? This, ladies and gents, a train carriage. That is some hefty weight to be put there. I'm guessing there is a railway line underneath this. I'm almost certain there is, because what the hell was that doing here? Wow. It's a serious bit of kit just to be left there like that. Look, there's an American Ford here that's been completely smashed to pieces. It looks like the old Jurassic Park one. I'm pretty sure it is the one they use in Jurassic Park. Almost certain of it. Support vehicle this is. Been smashed to pieces. Old Jag here, ladies and gents. Someone certainly doesn't want no one in there. Hence why they've squashed the doors with a Transit and a Jaguar. So nothing around here much apart from this Leyland DAF. She's a old G-Reg, and then this 2002 Vauxhall combo van, which doesn't look in bad nick really. Doesn't look in bad nick at all. No way. Wheel's missing, so in case someone tries nicking it. Yeah, it's just typical farmer vehicle. Yeah, got some Shiraz wine there. So I've been to most places in this farm area, ladies and gents. I'm not too sure if there's anything else knocking about, but I will continue to look. So this is the actual drag strip and the offices. This is what we've come to see. Oh, nice stones. There you go, ladies and gents. This is what we've come to see. Don't say I never treat you. I'll go on to the seating area and have a bit of a look, ladies and gents. So we keep looking.
Oh, I remember I got the photo on my Facebook. I'll have to find it.
Yeah.
Send it to you. I drove 205 my mate's 205 GTO drag car there.
Oh, did you?
Track car.
Oh yeah. Man, I'd walk in the middle if I was you.
On the metal.
Yeah. They started springing. Wow.
You could just imagine the atmosphere up here.
You could, yeah. I'd have to have the top seats, wouldn't you?
It's mad, it's all going to be flat soon.
Yeah, all this is going soon, ladies and gents, which is sad really.